Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can bold text on Facebook post. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Facebook, and here you need to create post with random text. So let me add a good day. So how I can bold that? I simply need to select that text and click on copy and go on to the any browser and search here bold text generator and open the first website and put normal text here, and you can see the bold text in the bottom. Select that text. Okay, click on copy, go back onto the Facebook post and paste that here and share with your friends or family if you want. So this is a process by which you can bold text on Facebook post. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.